Hey Neil, this is Willie at Tameron Honda here. I enjoyed talking with you earlier this morning. I'm going to get you that information over that you requested along with this video. I did want to send you a video so that you know who you would be working with when you do come in. We do have that 15 Ram 4x4 Limited here in stock. It's outside here behind me. It is here. I'm going to get you that towing capacity as well as some other specs on that vehicle and get that sent over to you very shortly. I want to say thank you for inquiring on it. If you need any other information, my direct number is 205-222-9003, or you can email me at wholley@tameronhonda.com. And we do business one way here at Tameron Mill, and that's the right way, and you're going to love the way you're treated. You told me that you guys have bought vehicles from us previously in the past, so you already know. We didn't treat you right, you wouldn't be coming back. Gonna get you all of that information over. Can't wait to see you later today. Talk with you shortly.